So I made this one. It's a real pretty turquoise one here. Necklace. Today I'm going to show you how to make earrings and how to make a bracelet. But I picked this one to make a set for it. Alright, so we'll get in our bead jewelry making adventure fun here. So we got our tools. Got this one. Got this one. And we got this one. Then we got our spacers here. And I got my cramp beads right there. I got my clasp. I got this magnetic clasp to put on the bracelet. That way it makes it easier. Easier for you all when you do it to put it on. And then I got my beads. My strand here. You know. Alright. And of course we got our wire. Alright, let's get this adventure going. So we got our end here. Alright. Got these crimp beads we got to put on there. So we got our end. We got our crimp beads here. So I got our crimp beads on. Oh, I dropped one. I found the bead I was looking for that I dropped. Anyways, let's get back to this. I got one crimp bead on here. Gotta put the other one on. Get on there, little guy. We gotta do our magnet clasp. I think this would be a good clasp for bracelets because bracelets are difficult to put on and off by yourself. So, it fell off on me. Got our clasp on with our crimp beads, and you make a hoop with your fingers, and you want to slide it through this in here. You want to slide it through the crimp beads. If y'all can see, my camera would quit blurring on me. Oh, come on, man. All right, there we go. We got it now. That way y'all can see how you do it. I got them both on, so you slide them up to keep your hoop, so you don't lose it. Oh, see? I didn't get it lit up fast enough, and it came off on me. All right, there we go. And then you can pinch it together with these fingers, and then use these ones to slide it up like so. See? And then always make it so I can make my hoop like so. See? Yeah. So we're gonna crimp her now. Crimp it with your pliers real good. And you can get these tools fairly cheap. I paid like $1 for these pliers. I paid like $2 for the cutters, and like I think I paid $2 for the other pliers. You can get them fairly cheap. You just gotta shop around. Look online. A lot of good deals online, like Amazon and eBay, or Harbor Freight, or Walmart.com. All good places to look for stuff like this and other things. All right, so we always check it. Looks like I got it crimped on there pretty good. All right, yeah. So we're making a bracelet, so it's not gonna take as long. So I might have to unstring some of these. I was responsible and tied it. So I was responsible and tied it last time so the beads wouldn't come off. So we gotta cut the tie. See, some beads will fall right off for you. That's probably more than what I'm gonna need, but I wanna make sure I got enough up here ready to go. All right, so we'll just slide them all over here in a nice little pile like so. We'll get our wire. And I wanna put a big one on here. Sometimes when you buy beads, you get them stuck together like this. See that? So all you gotta do is just give it a little tap. Look, came right apart. Easy peasy, just get a little tap, that's it. So I get a big one here to put on. Like so. The reason why I'm doing that is so this won't be on the skin so much. Because some people says it annoys them when the clasp is touching their skin. So to make people happy, you gotta do it just like how they like. So I put my big bead on there, I got my end again here. I don't like how this end is curved, and I got plenty of cable, so I'm gonna cut it to help myself out here. Then put a spacer bead. Like so. Then we're gonna put another bead. You can go with whatever size you want. I'm gonna go with something a little bit smaller than that one. Put your spacer, what the heck was that? Set the tools over out of the way. Get your spacer bead here. Put it on there. Get a nice turquoise rock. Put it on there. Going with like the same pattern as the necklace. I'm going to do charm bracelets too, so you'll be getting ready for that video. But that's what it's going to be like. Just keep the beads going. Excuse me. Don't smoke. That bead went flinging. I don't know where it went. I guess it didn't want to be used. But this is what we got so far. It's looking alright. Matched the necklace pretty good. I'm not going to put any charm on this. Maybe later, when I get some more charms that will match that. Unless I sell it like it is. I'll put some charms. But I'd have to go back and get some more. See? I was talking to you all, not paying attention. Look what I did. There's supposed to be a spacer in between them two. So you got to take one back off. I got a spacer right here too. Why I didn't put it on, I don't know. There's that. Come here. Alright, fine. I'll just do it like this. You want to come here? See, I had to fix it. Baby shark, baby shark, Get some more spacer beads lined out here for myself, because I'm ready for a spacer bead and a rock. Excuse me. Don't smoke. How's that looking? It's looking pretty alright, huh? You can always do a test on your own wrist if you want. See how it's going across my wrist from side to side pretty much, so I'm getting close. Or you can have a lovely person come in with their wrist, if their wrist is a little smaller. See, their wrist is a little smaller, so it gives me a little better idea of what I need to do here. Don't be a little burger and get on there. Just the camera there. There we go. That's better. You all can see the end and see me work. So see about how long we got it now. Go across the wrist. Yep. I'm getting close. I'm over halfway done now. Alright, take a look at it here. I'm going to go a little more with it. I don't want to make it too big. I don't want to make it too small though either. Just bracelet made, and I'll show you how to do earrings. So that's going to be a little small, so I'm going to have to make it a little bigger. Might have to give these beads a little... Oh, they came right apart. See, they come apart. Put that one on there. This one on here. Come on. Come on, little guy. There we go. Get on there with your little friends. There we go. Got her going, huh? Get on there with your little buddies. I'm trying to watch what I'm doing and stay under the camera for y'all at the same time. So, sorry if my videos are a little whatever, but I'm trying my best here, alright? I'll get better as I learn. Please like and subscribe. It's highly appreciated. And follow your dreams. That's highly appreciated too. I don't like that bead. I keep grabbing it. Put a couple more on. I'm going to test it. I hope everybody's having a beautiful day today. All right, now looky there. It's a little bigger now. I need to go a little bit more. When I tighten it, all the beads will be together. I need to see though with all the beads together. Let's see about what. Alright, so we're at the end of this one. I gotta put fat beads on, big fat beads on the end because people don't like the clasp on their skin. Alright. But that's alright. It'll be okay. Now we're gonna put our crimp beads on there. And then put our other half of our magnet clasp. Slide it on down a little, closer to your beads down here. Then make your loop. Slide it through the crimp beads. Well, if it'll go in there for you. Give me a second here, peoples. It wants to be difficult right now. But that's alright. That's part of making jewelry. But you can always have your hoop here on the end, like I got like this, and then hold this part on the table, and then make your hoop like that. See how easy that worked? Since it kept wanting to slip off on me, I just did it like that. You got your bracelet all made and done, right? It's all done. Crimp the beads, the crimper beads. You want to crimp them? It don't matter if they don't come out now. I already got it crimped. I'm just doing a little extra to make sure. You always check it. You know me, I always check my work to make sure. Looks really good. So gotta cut this little excess off. Get the flat part, and you go up. You know how you do it. Always hold this part like this so it will stay out of the way, and get the flat part and go right up against it as much as you possibly can. Give her a little cut there, but don't cut both wires. I've made that mistake before. And then and give it a little pull test, you know, like so. Yep, seems like it's gonna hold. And then see how easy that is. Instead of fighting with the clasp, then you got a bracelet to go with the necklace. Well, they're gonna see the whole set, so it's okay. Alright, we're gonna make some earrings. So I got these to make earrings. I have a few different ways that I do it, like 4 or 5 different ways I know how to make earrings, but I'm gonna do it this style for this setup today. So you got your piece. It has a little end on it, so nothing falls off on you. And you just pick you out a stone, put it on there like so. Put you a little spacer. And you put another stone. Put another spacer. Give me some more spacers out here. And I don't want to make them too heavy, so I'm just going to put 4 stones. I'm just going to do this much. I don't want to make them too heavy. And get this part. Okay. Got this. Make you a hoop. Like a half hoop. Something like that. So you can put this part on. Go ahead and hoop it around. Hold the earring part up. You can hoop it around. It's going to be totally fine and work out no matter what it looks like before you get done. I'll show different ways how to make earrings too. In other videos I'll do for you all. See how I made the hoop? And now I got the extra hanging out and I'm twisting it around? See how I did that? Alright, I got it all together. I fixed the hoop so it's not all leaning over. It's all straight now. I'm going to take this other extra piece. That's what I like about these little pliers too. I can grab it and I can hold all that and then take, because it don't take too much to bend the wire, but once you got it bent, it stays in place. I dropped it. I'm just trying to make sure I got it bent around enough. That's all. That's why I keep looking. And just bend it around with your finger. Or you can use the pliers if you want. I'm just bending around. Trying to make one full, keep dropping it, one full around it so that way it won't come apart, like so. See, I took it, made one full circle around the eye. Then you take your clippers and clip off the little bit excess here. Like that. You don't have any hanging off. It's all connected and just makes an earring. It's swinging so pretty. Swing, swing, swing. Alright, anyways, let's do another one. Same thing, I got my good rock. I keep dropping beads. But as I told you all in my other video, I drop beads. I don't want to make them too heavy, but I want to have a little weight down here on the end so they hang down. Something. So you can always go back and look at the one you made before. Looks pretty even, looks pretty good, nice and straight. Alright, so, you know, make your curve like that. Put your part that pokes in your ear on. Go ahead and make your loop.